Use the properties of exponents and matching bases to solve the following equations. So for this one here, a couple things I'm going to do to this. I am going to change 4 into 2 squared because I want to have a common base here, and I'm going to change the square root of 2 to the power of x into 2 to the power of x to the power of 1/2, because I know square root is the same thing as the exponent of 1/2. Now I'm going to go ahead and use my rule. When I have a power raised to a power, I can multiply these, so I get 2x plus 2 on the top, 1/2 x on the top here, and now I can really just set these pieces equal to each other because I have the same base, and there I can solve for x. So I'll subtract 1/2 from both sides, so I get 1.5, or I guess we'll call it 3 over 2x plus 2 equals 0. I'll subtract 2 from both sides. I'll divide by 2/3. Sorry, I'll multiply by 2/3 on both sides, which will leave me with just x equals negative 4/3 for the first one. Second one here, I got, let's see here, 3 times 9 to the power of x. So this is really 3 times 3 squared to the power of x, which equals 3 to the power of 3 to the power of x plus 1. Let's see here, how am I going to work with this? Oh, I got it. Okay, so it took me a second there, but really what I should be doing here, I'm going to still do my same idea here where I'm multiplying power of power, but I have 3 to the power of 1 times 3 to the power of 2x equals 3 to the power of 3x plus 3. So I multiplied those out. I use my power rule where when I multiply the bases that are the same, I can add these. So I really have 3 to the power of 2x plus 1 equals 3 to the power of 3x plus 3. And now I can set these equal to each other and solve. So 2x plus 1 equals 3x plus 3. I'll subtract 2x from both sides and subtract 3 from both sides, and I get x is equal to negative 2. Last one here, I got 5 to the power of x to the power of 1/3, because that's what a cube root is. I know 1 over 25 is 5 to the power of negative 2 to the power of x minus 2. I'm going to go ahead and multiply these together, so I get 5 to the power of 1/3 x equals 5 to the power of negative 2x plus 4. Then I am going to set these equal to each other, equals negative 2x plus 4. I'll add 2x to both sides to get 7/3 x equals 4. Multiply both sides by 3/7. X is going to be equal to 12 over 7, and there is my final x value.